Welcome back to JJ's shop. Today I am going to be putting some new upper A bolt, arm bolt, whatever. I believe they're camber caster bolts in. They are these, like I said I would, but I'm finally getting at it. See if that helps, you know. And then I might, hopefully, this weather holds up, I'm gonna do the, what is it? Pitman arm, yeah. So, yep. Yep, okay. Yeah. I'm gonna be taking the old ones out now, maybe. Probably do one at a time. I don't know. See if that helps, maybe? I don't know. Jeez. Yep. I don't know how I'm gonna get in here with the load on it, on the ground. I know, as you guys can see, got a little dirty in here. You know. It's a truck, I had to use it, you know? This one first. There we go. Don't need that anymore. On this side. I'm hoping this will help. Once I put it on the ground, tighten it up, I believe 80 foot-pounds, something like that. Feels like a little different, but that's okay. Maybe get the hammer, I don't know. Ooh, I have an idea. Maybe. Put the light over here. There we go. Nope. Maybe, I don't know. Now I am replacing these, so. Now, should I probably put the jack under the bottom A on? Probably. I'm gonna do that real quick. There we go. Now it's gonna see it set up pretty easy now. Let's compare the old to the new. Why don't we? Well, Well, it looks like we got more threads. You guys can see that. Guess that might be good. I don't know. And looks like they're a little different. I guess can be good, but I don't know. It'll work, I guess. Hope so. Go. Should probably put some Loctite on it. So. There we go. Save enough for. Where did I set? Where did I set the new one? Nuts. What? Oh, there it is. That on it. Okay. Okay. Still 21. That's a good sign. I like that. Okay. Now. Okay. There we go. Wish I had another 21. See a little better now. Maybe. Well, finally got this one kind of in. But that, and it does feel like it should hold a lot better. So now I'm gonna do the other side, and I'll get back with you guys when I'm done with that and let you guys know. Alrighty, well, I'm back, and I finished putting those in. So now I'm gonna put the wheel back on, and then I'll probably drop it and then torque it to spec. And I believe I looked it up that they're under load, which means on the ground, and somehow I gotta get it in here. I don't know. I'll figure a way out with the torque wrench and the socket. Only on the nuts. 80 foot-pounds, I believe, under load. So, yeah, it's gonna be fun. Nope. I wonder what Jordy's doing at work today.
Alrighty, yeah, thank you again for another fun-filled episode here at JJ Shop. Thank you for joining us again. We're out of time for today, so if you wouldn't mind, please hit the like and subscribe button. Share the video with friends, if you will, and then of course leave us a comment what you liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video, and thanks again for joining us.